Modal verbs help us talk about ability, requests, and possibilities in English. We use can to talk about present ability or something possible. Example, I can lift heavy weights. We use could to talk about past ability or polite requests. Example, she could speak French when she was young. Page 2 usage difference. Page, can and could are similar, but they are used differently. Can is used for present ability and casual requests. Example, can you help me with this? Could is used for past ability and more polite requests. Example, could you help me with this, please? Can sounds casual, could sounds more polite and professional. May and might are both used to talk about possibility. We use may when something feels more possible. Example, it may rain tomorrow. We use might when we are less sure about something. Example, he might travel next week. May sounds more possible, might sounds less certain. Page, may versus might, usage difference. May and might are both used to talk about possibility. But may usually sounds more possible. Example, it may rain tomorrow. We also use may when something feels likely. Example, it may be hot today. Might is used when we are less sure about something. Example, he might travel next week. May sounds more certain, might sounds less sure. Page, must versus ought to. Must and ought to are both used to talk about obligation or duty. We use must for strong obligation. Example, you must wear a seatbelt. We use ought to for advice or the right thing to do. Example, you ought to study today. Must sounds stronger, ought to sounds softer and more polite. Page, must versus ought to, usage difference. Must and ought to are both used to talk about obligation. But they are used in different ways. We use must for strong rules or something necessary. Example, you must stop here. Must usually means there is no choice. We use ought to for advice or recommendations. Example, you ought to sleep early. Ought to sounds softer and more polite. Page, would have versus could have, would have and could have both talk about the past. But they show different meanings. We use would have for an unreal past result. Example, I would have helped you. We use could have for a missed possibility or chance. Example, she could have won the game. Would have talks about an unreal result. Could have talks about a missed opportunity. Page, would have versus could have, usage difference. Would have and could have both talk about the past. But they are used in different ways. We use would have when we imagine a different result in the past. Example, I would have called you. This often shows regret or a hypothetical situation. We use could have for missed possibilities or chances. Example, she could have won the game. Could have means something was possible, but it didn't happen. May have and might have are both used to talk about possibilities in the past. We use may have when something seems possible in the past. Example, he may have missed the train. We use might have when we are less certain about something in the past. Example, he might have missed the train. May have sounds more possible. Might have sounds less certain. Had to and used to are both used to talk about the past. But they have different meanings. We use had to for past obligations or something necessary in the past. Example, I had to study every night. We use used to for past habits or situations that are not true now. Example, I used to play football every day. Had to talks about obligation. Used to talks about past habits. Need to and be able to have different meanings. We use need to when something is necessary. Example, I need to finish my homework. We use be able to talk about someone's ability to do something. Example, I am able to speak English. Need to talks about necessity. Be able to talks about ability. Be going to and dare have different meanings. We use be going to talk about future plans or intentions. Example, I am going to visit my family next week. We use dare when we challenge someone or talk about bravery. Example, I dare you to jump into the water. Be going to talks about future plans. Dare talks about challenge or bravery. Will and going to are both used to talk about the future. But they are used differently. We use will for predictions or decisions made at the moment. Example, it will rain tomorrow. We use going to for plans or intentions that are already decided. Example, I am going to visit my grandparents this weekend. Will sounds more spontaneous. Going to sounds more planned. Will and going to are both used to talk about the future. But they are used in different ways. We use will for spontaneous decisions, predictions, and promises. Example, don't worry, I will call you tonight. We also use will for predictions without clear evidence. Example, I think it will rain tomorrow. We use going to for plans, intentions, or things already decided. Example, I am going to travel next month. We also use going to when there is clear evidence. Example, look at those clouds. It is going to rain. Will sounds more spontaneous. Going to sounds more planned. Supposed to and have to are both used to talk about responsibility. But they have different meanings. We use supposed to when something is expected or recommended. Example, I am supposed to study tonight. Supposed to is not usually a strict rule. We use have to for real obligations or necessary actions. Example, I have to finish this report by tomorrow. Have to usually means there is no choice. Supposed to sounds softer. Have to sounds stronger and more serious.